Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous lesson, we will learn about components and create our first one. In this lesson, we will continue and explore what JSX. JSX allowed used to write a code that's look like HTML. For example, when we write h1 hello, it's look like HTML. But in the real power of JSX is that you can embed JavaScript inside HTML. For example, let's create a variable called name and give it value. When we preview this in the browser, it's read both HTML and JavaScript, and that is the mean of JSX. We can also call function. For example, let's define function to return name, and then call inside the JSX using curly brackets. You can use any JavaScript inside it HTML. And that's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to support me so I can keep sharing valuable content. See you next time.